Hi students, today we are going to learn our kitchen, the continuation part 2. So today we can see the pros. In the previous class we saw Bender the Blender poem and today we can see the big offer. Ramu runs a small restaurant that makes very tasty food. One day he gets an order to cook the dinner for the biggest party in the town. However, he cannot cook because he is very sick. So, in this lesson, Ramu is there. So, he runs a small restaurant. He is owner of a small restaurant and there he makes very tasty food. So, one day he gets an order to cook for the dinner. So, he got a biggest party in that town and he get the order to cook for the dinner. However, he cannot cook because he is very sick. So, he is sick on that day but he had a party to cook. So, he feels very sad. Let us see what's happening. I feel terrible. I am not able to get out of the bed. But if I don't cook, who will? So, he felt very sick and he is very sad that he cannot able to cook. So now he feels for that how to cook. I will help you. I will work with my friends. Get the food ready for the party. See here. Can you find this? What is this? This is the recipe book. So this says that I will help you. I will work with my friends and get the food ready for the party. So the recipe book is saying this to the Ramu. I am big enough to prepare rice for a party. So see, the pot is saying I am big enough to prepare rice for the party. So they are going to prepare in this biggest pot. I am fastest. I make food in minutes. I mix fruits and milk together. Then add a little sugar. Now the mixer, that is the mixer is saying that he is very faster. He will finish the works in minutes and he will mix the fruit, milk and sugar. That will be a very tasty milkshake. So a tasty milkshake can be prepared by the juicer. Now let us see. Just switch on the burner. Look at me. Fry and roast the food. So the frying pan. This is frying pan. Frying pan is saying to the recipe book that he will fry and roast the food. Here I am. Look at me. Slice and dice. Get ready, my dear. Tomatoes, onions, chilies. Here I come. So now who's speaking? The slice and dice is speaking. You can see here. So the slice and dice is speaking that get ready, my dear. So the dicer will cut all the tomatoes, onion, chilies and all other vegetables whatever needed. So the dicer is saying he is ready to do his work. My goodness, I can't believe my eyes. The food for the party is ready. Who helped you all? So now see here, pot, the mixer, frying pan, the dicer, everyone joined together and they prepared for the party. They prepared the food for the party. Now Ramu is very excited and very happy to see that the food is ready for the party. So now he asked, who helped you all? Thanks to all for the delicious food. The recipe book was our chef for the day. So who is the main chef? The recipe book is the organizer for this work. So he thanked all of them and recipe book was the chef for the day. So children, we saw that Ramu runs a small restaurant. So on the particular day, Ramu wants to prepare for a dinner for a biggest party in the town. So, but he was very sick on that day. So he was not able to prepare for the party. So now the recipe book says to him that he will make everything to be get ready. So first he went to the pot. The pot is saying he is ready to prepare the rice and he is enough to prepare the rice. Mixie is ready to prepare for the milkshake, that is cutting the mixing the fruits and milk along with the sugar. The milkshake is ready. Then frying pan is ready to fry and toast the food. Then we saw the dicer. The dicer is ready to cut the tomatoes, onions and chilies. So now totally the delicious food is ready for the party. So Ramu is very happy to see all this, and finally he thanked everyone to do for their work. And who is the chief chef? So the recipe book was the chef for the whole day. So children, we completed the prose. Now let us see this. Let us read. The two pots. There are two pots, mud and brass. Mud and brass go to the river to play. So you can find two pots are here. This one is mud and this is brass. So they both are going to the river to play. Brass said, I will swim in the river, but you cannot. So Brass is saying that he can swim in the river, but you cannot. Mud said, why? Brass said, if you hit a rock, you will break. So the mud is saying, if you hit the rock, so the mud will break. So since it is a mud, it will break soon. Mud said, let me try. So now they both are going to try. Mud and Brass start to swim in the water. See here, they started to swim in the water. That is, they started to swim in the river. Brass said, let us swim deeper. So the Brass is saying they are going too deeper. Mud said, no, let us go back to the river bank. So Mud is calling them, no need to go so deeper. We have to go back to the river bank. Mud went back to the river bank. So Mud, he went back to the river bank, but Brass went on. Soon the river was deep and Brass was not able to swim. So now what happened? The Brass, he went into deeper. Now he cannot able to swim. Help, help, said Brass. Mud used a stick from the river bank to help. So Mud, he had taken a stick and helped Brass to take him to the river bank. After that, Mud and Brass do not play in the river. So after this incident, they stop playing in the river. They only play by the river. So after this, they played only near the river bank, not inside the river. Okay children, by this we complete the unit 1. We saw the poem in the first session, and in this part we saw the big of a prose and that reading part. So you go through this and read again, understand everything. If you like the video, like, share and comment the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.